This is a question from CSIR NET June 2025. The question reads, the pair of electronic configuration which represents the ground state term symbol triplet F2 is. So which among the following options could represent this term symbol? So for this we need to know the Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity, like which is the ground term. So for ground term, first thing that we consider is maximum number of unpaired electrons. That is the first point. So if there is maximum number of unpaired electron, that would be the ground term. That is 2s plus 1 should be highest. But here if you see in all the options there is maximum equal number of unpaired electrons. So that point we can't see. So if that is the case, then the next value that we have to see is L. The L value should be maximum. So whichever case has maximum L value, that would be the ground state term symbol. And if L value is also same, then we see the J value. If it is less than half filled, L minus S, and if it is greater than half filled, it should be L plus S. So these are the three formulas which we apply. So if we see here, S value cannot be used here. So what we do is we directly check for the L value. So in the first option, the first thing that they have given is P1 D1. So P1 is going to look like this, and D1 is going to look like this. You just check for the L value, the maximum L value. So the maximum value here is going to be, it is plus 1, here it is plus 2. So basically L is equal to L1 plus L2 up till L1 minus L2. So but we don't have to check this up till, we have to check what is the maximum L value, that is L1 plus L2. So 2 plus 1, that is 3. So 3 is nothing but F. So that is possible, right? So this is possible. Then you check for S1 D1. So in S1 D1, this is S1 and this is D1. So here L value is 0, L1 is 0 and L2 is plus 2. So therefore the maximum L value is 0 plus 2, that is equal to plus 2. So 2 means it's only P. So the maximum L value here is only 2 and not 3. So this term is not possible. So the first option is incorrect. If you move to the second option, you have S1 F1, right? So S1 F1, it is going to look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here it is plus 3 for F and it is 0 for this S. So the L value is equal to 0 plus 3. So the maximum L value here is 3. So that is F. So that is possible. So this option is also possible. So you check this counterpart. So D1 F1. So D1 F1, D1 is going to be, here it is going to be plus 2 and for F1 it's going to be plus 3, right? So basically L value is going to be 3 plus 2, the maximum value is going to be 5. So F is not possible. For 5 it is going to be G, right? So F is not possible. So this option is incorrect. So the first option is also incorrect, second option is also incorrect because this part